Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from your Wizz Air account, whether it's a refund or Wizz credit. So, let's get started. First, open a web browser and go to the official Wizz Air website at wizzair.com. Log in using your email and password. Once logged in, head to My Profile and select Wizz account. Here, you'll be able to see your account balance and refund options. Look for the balance withdrawal option. Click it to proceed. You can usually choose between refund to your original payment method, bank transfer, or using the balance as credit for future bookings. If you're selecting a bank transfer, carefully enter your IBAN and SWIFT code. Double-check all details before submitting. Click Submit and you should receive a confirmation email shortly. Wizz Air typically processes refunds within a few business days, though bank transfers may take a little longer. And that's it. That's how to withdraw money from your Wizz Air account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.